appears mysterious. Our senses are bombarded daily with data. Our thoughts run wild. Sometimes we forget to stop and just be. Who am I? Where am I going? What is the purpose of this winding journey? In the midst of life's cacophony, we often lose sight of our own essence, our true north. The relentless barrage of sensory inputs and the ceaseless chatter of our own minds can lead us down a path of distraction, causing us to neglect the most fundamental questions. Who am I beyond the labels and roles that define me? Where am I headed beyond the destinations and milestones that mark my progress? And what lies at the heart of my existence, waiting to be unearthed and embraced? In the stillness, if we dare to listen, we may just discover the whispers of our soul, guiding us toward the answers that have been within us all along. How do we unlock the mysteries of our psyche? I've long ago began searching the answer to this query. I've largely answered it, though I also fall into randomness at times. Yet, when I do, quote, ride consciousness, quote, a magic comes out from, quote, behind the curtain and reveals herself to me. For instance, I've come to realize that the real I, or soul, is forever in motion. The soul is dreaming, as soul is detached from the world of senses. This is what dreaming means. Dreaming also means that we are what we are aware of. It is all us. This wholeness and detachment simultaneously experienced can only be done full-heartedly. And it is in this sacred space of wholeness and detachment that the mysteries of our psyche unfold. Like a masterful puppeteer, the soul orchestrates the dance of our lives, weaving together the threads of fate, free will, and imagination. As we ride the waves of consciousness, we catch glimpses of the magic that lies behind the curtain, the hidden patterns, the symbolic language, and the ancient wisdom that whispers secrets to our hearts. The soul, forever in motion, dreams us into being, crafting a reality that is both a reflection of our deepest desires and a manifestation of our highest potential. And when we surrender to this dream, embracing the paradox of wholeness and detachment, we become one with the universe, and the mysteries of our psyche reveal themselves in all their glory. In this state, we realize that the real I is not a fixed entity, but a dynamic, ever-unfolding expression of the cosmos itself, a droplet of the infinite ocean containing the entirety of the sea within its depths. The beauty of the soul's movement is that I can point, quote, my ship wherever I like. Conscious thought becomes a wonderful adventure. Not only this, but a part of the invisible reality we surf bleeds through into our sense world. What a power we have, and how few exercise conscious thought. Now, the interesting thing about the physical world is we use words which tend to slice and dice what we know into parts. This is unfortunate because it creates a watered-down reality of what is. For example, when we talk about the heart and mind, electricity and magnetism. But what if these are one thing? In fact, they are. So, if you follow what I am highlighting here, what I am saying is that what you think also has a power to it. In fact, You can literally lift yourself up simply with thought. You can ride the wave higher and higher and dip your toes into the eternal. And in doing so, you become the master of your own destiny, the captain of your ship, navigating the vast expanse of the universe with the power of your thoughts. The boundaries of reality begin to blur, and the invisible bleeds into the visible as the essence of your being merges with the essence of existence. The fragmented lens of language, which once divided the world into separate parts, now reveals its limitations, and the true nature of reality shines through. A unified, undivided whole, where heart and mind, electricity and magnetism are mere facets of a singular, shimmering jewel. And at the center of this jewel lies the power of thought, a force so potent it can lift you up, carry you on the wings of imagination, and dip your toes into the eternal waters of the infinite. The wave of consciousness rises, and you ride it, a surfer of the cosmic ocean, dancing with the divine and leaving the shores of the mundane behind. In this realm, the impossible becomes possible, and the boundaries of reality are but a distant memory as you soar on the wings of your own inner power, a power that knows no limits and knows no bounds. And then there is physicality, reminding you of your limits. You see, while we live in the human senses and have not fully mastered conscious thought, we become encumbered by ourself. So we must follow the energy correctly. Just because you can visualize moving through a wall without damage does not mean it will happen just yet. You must stay true to what you feel and go from there. This is why it is so important to increase your lightness of being and be very careful with self-care, including diet, exercise, environment, etc. All of these things contribute towards your light, quotient, and your capabilities. It all starts with learning to find out to be in the zone. There will be moments where you will feel like you are flying. Small miracles will appear here and there. As you become accustomed to these, eventually you will rise. And in this rise, you will transcend the limitations of the physical realm, and the boundaries of your being will expand. The encumbrance of the self will lift, and you will become one with the flow of energy, effortlessly gliding through the currents of existence. The zone, that elusive state of perfect harmony, will become your natural abode, and the miracles that once seemed small will unfold into a tapestry of wonder. Your light quotient, the measure of your being's radiance, will increase, illuminating the path ahead and guiding you toward the realization of your true potential. The disciplines of self-care, diet, exercise, environment, and more will become the foundation upon which your ascension is built. Each element a vital thread in the intricate weave of your transformation. And when the moment arrives and you spread your wings, you will soar unencumbered by the weights of the physical world, a being of light, dancing among the stars, with the universe as your playground. The journey begins with a single step, a single breath a single thought, the intention to rise, to shine, and to become the master of your own destiny.